Hey, we're out here in the greenhouse today and take my jacket off. Today I'm gonna put up a fan. Let me hang my jacket up here. I gotta put a fan up here in this top area. Nice little black fan. Hopefully we'll keep all the big bugs out. All right, let's get going. I think I'm gonna try and pry one of these boards off of here. There we go. Because I have two studs, one running here, one running here, so there should be a channel that runs all the way down to my pony wall. Okay, which I'm gonna take this off right now. It kind of died in the freeze. Aha, look at that. Cut this box and cut the bottom off, and hopefully it'll just slip over the top of that and go right out the back. You're not going to see it. It's just something that needs to go. I need a little conduit or vent tube to go out the back. Finally got this cut down. Look at the way it fits in there. I mean, it's perfect. Sometimes Chucky's so smart. You can see I have the fan installed. Turned out pretty good. The backside looks pretty good. Not too shabby. The backside looks okay. Not too bad of an install, really. It wasn't that difficult. And the controller itself came out pretty nice. Here's the display. I'll have to do something with this hole. Put an escutcheon around there somehow. I'll figure that out. Not sure what I want to do yet. But this long wire here, I mean, this is a temperature probe. It probes for temperature, humidity, and so right now I have it in auto for a high temperature. The fan will come on. Maybe I can get that there. The fan will come on at 90 degrees. And right now we're sitting at 50 degrees in the greenhouse and 85% humidity, and it's off because it's in auto mode. So yeah, not too bad of an install. I'll have to figure out this cord. This is the power cord here. I'm gonna fish it through and down underneath, but I got to get rid of this banana, this root ball banana that I've left in here. I got to figure out something to do with that, and then I'll fish that wire through. But yeah, not too bad. Looks pretty good. I'm kind of happy with it. I think that looks pretty nice up there, and it's pretty quiet. Well, I hope you liked our little project today. You got to do something when it's raining, and you might as well work in the greenhouse, right? Get ready for next summer. I think the project came out pretty well. I'd like to thank Maddie and David, my daughter and son-in-law, for buying me the fan. So, all right, you guys have a good day. I got a project I want to show you guys. Oh, shoot. I left my... Start over again. Hey, we're out. Hey, we're out here in the greenhouse today.